Hi there and welcome back to Impressive Hotel Edition property management software. In this tutorial we're going to take you through the configuration panel. So if I just click on the main container down here, tap on administration and click on the configuration panel just here, and up comes the loaded page for the configuration panel. I just move this over to the middle of the screen so you can see a little bit more clearly. So again, we mentioned that the system is so user-friendly and easy to configure. We're going to take you through the configuration panel and you can see for yourself the 9 different settings within the system. Business services, room types, taxes, business groups, floor types, room groups, major and minor groups, and the currencies / exchange rates. You need to create a snapshot view of your hotel, creating the information needed for the above 9 configuration menus. I'll take you through step by step as an example and obviously set up the system for you. So business services is the first part here. You'll see in each one of the different areas a list or a drop-down menu. Now the more that you actually go through and configure the system, the more you will have business services. If it's not actually within the list, you can click on create new, add the name, the description, and click save, and it's basically as simple as that. So just looking at business services, a business service is a form of service. So anything from conference rooms, wedding suites, gymnasiums, swimming pools, anything at all. If it's not in the list, click on new, add the name, the description, and click save. It simply adds it to the menu. From room services, this is where the room services such as air conditioning, minibar, safes. It's not in the drop-down menu. Click new, type the name, description, and save again. Room types, the same as the first 2 categories. Choose the room type. This could be generic, for example, single, double, etc. Or it could be a specific name such as the carriage house, garden view, or anything at all that you wish. In addition to this, you can specify the room capacity, the maximum adults, and maximum children. Click on OK and save your details. For the taxes menu, by selecting the actual business group, the top here, you will see a couple of examples of taxes. Again, if it's not in the menu or you want to specify a particular tax rate, click on new, add the name and the description, and click on save. The actual tax rate can be determined by an amount or a percentage, and whether it is tax inclusive or the tax amount by clicking here and clicking on save. For business groups, allocating against an existing business or setting up a new one in the default currency that you have. Again, if it's not in the list, you can specify a different currency and just update or delete accordingly. For floor types, these can be specified by levels or even descriptions to make searching or duplicating the floors later on far easier. For room groups, these are particular sections of the hotel by either area, location, and/or description, particularly convenient if placing bookings together or on large arrivals or bag drops. Again, like all the previous menus, if it's not displayed in the list, click on new, add the name, the description, and save. Major and minor groups. By selecting on minor and major groups, it allows you to allocate pricing, discounts, or even services by the different major and minor groups. And finally, currencies and exchange rates. Select your business from the menu, and as you'll see, we have a default currency of British pounds and euros. If you'd like to click another currency, for example US dollars, Let's choose today's exchange rate of 1.56. Click Save, and your chosen currency is selected. There's a long list of all the worldwide currencies that you can then search from. Once you've gone through each of these 9 different menus, your system is now ready to use and your hotel has been set up.